Hi, I'm Kim Brown with IMTS TV, and I'm here at the DMG MORI booth with Marlo Kanaba, Executive Vice President for DMG MORI USA. Hi, Marlo.
Hi, good morning. How are you?
Great. So we're here to talk about some of the new innovative products that DMG MORI has in their booth and that they're featuring. First of which is Industry 4.0, and it's a huge topic right now. Everybody's talking about it. So how is DMG MORI approaching Industry 4.0?
Yeah, I think our approach is a little bit unique. You're right, I see Industry 4.0. It's definitely a big topic right now. Everybody wants to know how can they manage their equipment, gaining more data to understand how to optimize their equipment and their processes. We use a completely integrated approach, and it really started with our Selos control that we introduced in 2013. And we've been building from that, both the connectivity of the machine, but also with additional sensors and software technology integrated into the machines to make the processes easier to operate and to program and to enable new processing technologies. This year we're actually unveiling at IMTS our new net service function, which includes a camera. So our service engineers will be using these cameras to gain access to our central locations for additional information, but also our customers can also obtain these cameras and use them to connect with our call center in the United States, which is 24/7.
And many visitors are exploring automation as well. What does DMG MORI have for that here today?
Yeah, at the DMG MORI booth, we have a comprehensive exhibition of different types of automation. We have robot. We've got a robot that is very transportable. It's intended to connect via our Selos control and can actually move in a facility from machine to machine. So multiple DMG MORI machines, you don't have to have a dedicated installation. It can be mobile.
Everyone's also interested in additive manufacturing. I hear you have something for the additive manufacturing as well.
Yes. So at DMG MORI, we have a unique portfolio. Some of the other suppliers to additive generally concentrate in one type of process. We actually have three types of machines. We have the SLM, selective laser deposition, and then that is in our booth, as well as we have that on display in the additive manufacturing pavilion. We also, though, have a hybrid where we can do the deposition and then do the machining afterwards. So that's a hybrid, and then we have the same deposition without the hybrid. So that is more compact type of solution. So it depends if the application requires machining after the deposition process, or if not, then we can go to a much more efficient for floor space. And then again, we have the SLM approach, or the powder, commonly known as powder bed. So we have that both in our booth here as well as the additive pavilion.
Very cool. So you also have some very large 5-axis machines here in the DMG MORI booth. Can you tell us about those?
Well, we do, and IMTS is a big show. We thought we would come big. So from our product line, the XXL Series, we have two different Gantry 5-axis machining centers, two of our newest. It's two of the largest in the show, and we have them both here. Our largest is actually a 3.4 meter X-axis travel. That's basically 10 feet, 120 inches in X-axis travel. So we have two machines fully enclosed with the latest technology, both in the control as well as the machine architecture. Between those two machines, we can literally accommodate any type of industry requirements, whether it's high-speed machining, so aerospace, medical, we can do die mold, automotive. We cover all of the major markets with this type of platform between the two different machines.
So we've talked about automation, we've talked about Industry 4.0, we've talked about additive, we've talked about 5-axis machines. Is there anything else that you guys have here that's new or that visitors can expect to see when they come to the DMG MORI booth?
Yes, actually, I think visitors come and they're looking for the latest in technology, but I think when they go home, the real challenge for them is how do they justify, or what's the impact to their business, and what's the return on investment? We have an area in our booth called the Solutions Bar, and it is set up by our experts to really explore with customers the financial impact and what are their cost drivers to get to the real bottom line. And technology is great, but it really has to solve the financial solution for a customer, and we have that. Customers are welcome to come and sit. In fact, we can even schedule a time with them if that's more convenient. So come see us at the Solutions Bar.
Great. Thank you so much, Marlo. So come to the DMG MORI booth. It is 338900, or for more information, you can visit their website. It is dmgmori.com. I'm Kim Brown with IMTS TV. Thank you so much for watching.